Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We are going to get started in a standing position on our mats. Just let your arms hang down, face your palms forward, and let's take some deep breaths in and out through the nose. Sweep your arms up overhead, reaching up for your mountain pose. Breathing here and just relaxing your shoulders. And now we hinge forward, coming into our forward fold. Relaxing your head, your neck, your shoulders, maybe reaching down for your feet or for your mat. And we slowly roll up. Your head is the last thing to come up. Let's sweep the arms up overhead. And hands come to heart center. Take a deep breath in and out through the nose. Again, let's sweep the arms up for our mountain pose. And forward fold on your exhale. Slowly roll up. Head is the last thing to come up. Sweep your arms up overhead and your hands come to heart center. You take that deep breath. And we make our way to the back of our yoga mat. Slowly roll forward into your forward fold, walking into a high plank this time. Let's hold our high plank for a second and walk the hands back. Slowly roll up just like you did before. Let's continue to repeat that. So just rolling down, walking out into your high plank. You're going to hold that high plank for 1 second. And then you make your way back up. Now this time, let's switch things up a bit. So we roll down, walking out into our high plank. Hold your high plank. Let's lift our right leg high. Lower it down, and now let's lift our left leg. And lower it down, walking your hands back, and we slowly roll up, and you're going to repeat that now. So now you're just adding that kick when you do your high plank. And I want you to go as slow as possible with these movements. When we go slow, we really activate our muscles and we really start working on our strength. Now this time, let's roll down and we make our way into our high plank. We're gonna hold our high plank, but I want you to drop your right knee down towards the mat and now lift it back up, high plank. Left knee, back to your high plank. So we're just alternating, dropping each knee. It's really just a light tap, still engaging your core here. Last 2 seconds. Last 1, and downward facing dog. Take a breather. Shift forward into your high plank and back to your downward facing dog. Again, let's shift forward into our high plank and our downward facing dog. One more time, shift forward, high plank and downward facing dog. Now let's come back to our high plank and take those knee taps again. So just alternating each knee. Only 2 more seconds. Last 1, and downward facing dog. Take a breather. Let's send our right leg high towards the ceiling for our 3-legged dog. And we bend our right knee, just opening that right hip. Really pointing that knee up towards the ceiling. Let's straighten our leg and lower it back down. Lifting our left leg high. And now let's bend our knee, opening that left hip. Straighten your leg and lower it back down. Send your right leg high. Shift forward, coming into your high plank, drawing that right knee to the left elbow. And we kick it back up for our three-legged dog. Let's repeat that right knee, left elbow. Do that 2 more times. For this last one, we draw that right knee to the left elbow. Bring it to the center towards your chest and lower it down onto your mat as you lift your left leg up high. Doing some back kicks, keeping that left foot flexed, the toes are pointing down, drawing that heel up towards the ceiling. Still pulling your navel in towards your spine to engage your core. Let's just do one more. Plant those left toes, drawing the right knee in towards the chest so you can kick it up for your three-legged dog. And lower it back down into your down dog, shaking your legs out, taking some deep breaths. Let's send that left leg up high this time. Left knee to right elbow. You repeat that 3 more times, really controlling your movements, controlling your breathing. This time we do our three-legged dog, left knee to right elbow, and then you lower that left knee down for your back kicks using that right leg to kick back, keeping that right leg straight, looking down. Your hips are squared down to your mat, and remember you are engaging your core. We do our last one. You plant those right toes, bring that left knee in towards the chest so you can kick it up for your three-legged dog and lower it down. Shift forward into high plank, drawing the right knee in towards the chest and back to downward facing dog. Same thing with the left knee, back to down dog. Again, shift forward, draw that right knee in. Step it back, shift forward, draw that left knee in, step it back. Lower down onto your knees as you swing the legs around in front of you. We are going into some Russian twists. So you're gonna bend your knees, keeping your feet planted, hands come to heart center. Let's lean back a little bit and we twist from side to side.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now.
We have 4 more seconds. 3, 2, last one. Let's just hold it here. Straighten your arms in front of you. Lift the legs up for your boat pose. Breathing here and focusing here. You can do this just a few more seconds. And you slowly lower down onto your back. Take a little breather. Let's bring the hands behind our head, lifting the legs into a reverse tabletop position where your knees are stacked over the hips, and we go into our bicycles. So you bring your left elbow to that right knee and right elbow to that left knee. And again, you want to keep your knees stacked over the hips. So don't try to bring your knee towards you, try to go towards your knee. Let's just do one more. All right, straighten both legs up towards the ceiling, letting your hands fall by the sides, and you can kind of wiggle the feet out and flex and point the toes. Lower your right leg down towards your yoga mat. And now let's lift our right leg back up. Now let's do that same thing with the left, and we lift it back up. So you just keep repeating that, lowering each leg. We only have 2 more, and this is our last one. And let's hug our knees into the chest. Take a really deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Start to roll over onto your belly. Once you get there, we're going to press into the palms, straightening the arms, just stretching out our core. Let's drop the head back. Maybe you flex the feet, really just getting a good stretch here. And let's turn towards the right. Go through center, turn towards the left. And sit the hips back, coming into a child's pose. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I know your arms and abs are feeling it. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.